ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣẹ́ wa lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣẹ́ wa ẹ̀yin tí Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ Bisi Ologe ni o ètò ẹ̀ ẹ máa gbádùn ẹ̀.
For Miss Femi Anthony.
Kind of jealous for you guys. Because we had our own victory party yesterday under the sun. Where all the elders, somebody's daddy was fighting for food. And somebody's mommy was struggling for a drink. But look at you, you were so... Come on, celebrate yourself. Honestly, quand on joue, first of all, quand on joue, on joue, on a ma son, ma mic. So you want to tell me? Oh, come tell me. Oh, you want the national anthem? Can I go away on my total? Oh, my mother, man, no Jew. I shall be not a watch it. Oh, that's all. Sorry, okay, now let me switch back to my accent. I said I'm jealous because the game has changed because of today's youth. The political game has changed. You guys have changed the political game of Nigeria today. You have made your voice heard. You have made your thumbs scream for a change. Please clap for yourselves. I'll tell you categorically or historically that the structure of Nigeria political terrain concerning the youth has not been fair to Nigerian youth. The Ministry of Youth at the national level is actually attached to the sports ministry. So when you hear the youth ministry, you now have the Ministry of Youth and Sports. And so that's what has been at the national level, state level, even at the local government levels, all the levels. But I know that with your voice, with your activeness, with your participations in this last election, you have made our president-elect, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to make it, the first statement he made was for the youth, thanking Nigerian youth, and he has promised to change the terrain for him. Come on, put your hands together. He has also promised the Nigerian youth no more ASU strike. When you go in for 4 years, it will be for 4 years. Come on, put those hands together. I did my master's degree at University of Benin. It took me 4 years to finish master's degree. It was the time of Hope 93 and all the strikes that you can think of. Not only that, Mr. Governor, of course, he will have to follow suit. I see them separating the Ministry of Youth from the Ministry of Youth and Sports and all of that. I see you having your own ministry. I see the Ministry of Youth at the national level, at the state level, at the local government level, being held by the youth. Come on, put those hands together for yourselves. I'm saying congratulations. Today's victory is not just the victory of someone, it's the victory for Nigerian youth. Come on, celebrate yourselves. On that note, I want to see you at the top. Don't give up on your dreams. This is the time to set goal. We trust, we're believing in the strength, the capability and the capacity of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu to rebuild the nation, to give hope to Nigerian youth, to give them opportunities, young people, a lot of young people. Okay, let me say this. Hello everyone. How many people know how old our present governor is? Does anybody know his age? He will be 58. Okay, if he will be 58, and he has spent 20 years in Lagos state government, part of the system, how old was he when he entered? As the SA. He started as an SA to the deputy governor in the person of Mr. Memeber. And just a year after, he was promoted to becoming an SA to the governor. And a few years he became an SA. Became a commissioner. I see young souls among you. I see a governor. I see a Laha, House of Assembly representative. I see MHR amongst you. If you're there amongst them, they clap for yourself. I see top notch. The things are changing. The terrain is changing. It's no longer the youth are lazy. It's going to be the youth are powerful. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.